Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Welfare. Let's learn and what's been practical in this tutorial. 3U tool is not connecting with your device with any iPhones. Then what's and how do you especially the repair of it? See, right now we are having the problem of a 3U tool that is not being connected to especially iPhones. See, if I connect a data cable, now see, it's connecting, but of course it's in waiting and it's taking much more time, and however it's not going to connect. Similarly, if I go for open iTunes is also in a waiting mode. So what you say that if iTunes is not connecting, if your 3U tool is not connecting, then what's the remedy and how do you fix it? We will see live. See, right now this is here on iTunes also not showing. So in that condition, just simply we will click on a toolbox, we will come now, yes, iTunes utility, and we will go for repair it. So now see, it has started to repair, and within 1 to 5 minutes it would be completely installed and this will be actually detected. So right now see, it's uninstalling some actually unwanted data or bugs, and then of course it would be fixed. So let's see, it's taking time guys. We will have to wait. We'll have to wait guys here. Let's close the iTunes. So how could I click on here to close, or directly you can click on here to close so that it will work fastly. Now see, all the things has been installed, and this is only once now remain that Apple mobile device services. So let it fix, and after fix, then of course we will uninstall some. Yes, and then now see, it has been completed. We will uninstall this old driver files. So fine, so now we will go for open here. Now of course we will go for here. Now see here, yes, almost we have done. It's once again we will connect a data cable and check it out. Fine, it's uninstalling. Yes, we will go with this spatially. Almost. Now this is completed. It's still uninstalling. So now this device has been connected. What is it guys here? How's this has been fixed? So for the main inquiry, of course, the head query below the comment box. So please would you mind to reply your query, and of course any iPhones related issues, of course blindly you can subscribe these channels. Yes, this will be very beneficial in your future. Now see, this device is connected now. So how easily it has been connected, you can see. If we go for open iTunes, of course we can check it out in the iTunes. iTunes will be fully functional. So we will go for yes, and now removing the previous installations iTunes. Now see quickly, it's now installing and quickly it will be connected. Assessing data, it has been connected. So this is all about guys in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.